So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be playing Cyber Ciphers, and I'm in it, and I'm in the game already. So, yeah. That's loud, man. What do we have in here? Okay. Ooh. Ooh. I hate those. Let me go back. Mexican. Mexican, you're from Mexico. Mexico. Hey, 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 hey. Another. So, guys, this is the golden one. 3, 2, 1. Do you see that? I got more than one golden ones. Look, I got more than one. Let me go to me. No, me. Let's go to characters. Let's choose this guy. Select. Let's go to skateboards. Yeah, right. Yeah, that's me. I want that. Who's that? Baby. Wait. I'm finishing everyone's high score like tic tac. Opa. Opa, 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 opa. Skateboard. This is how we do. Yeah, this is how we do it. Yeah. Turn. Da, 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 da. So guys, today I'll be cooking eggs. I'll show you. Because now I could walk. I can't run, but I could walk. Like, I could control myself and walk. I could sit down on high chairs. I could control myself. And I know like what to do when like I'm falling, just like the chair, those tall chairs, you know, they're tall. And when I want to go down, what do I do? The doctor told me how and when do you go up and why. So like it's for reasons, you do. Like I meant on that chair just to play. Like no, you need to go on this chair just like to eat, cook, do stuff. So like not just reasons, but like you should also like it's not that big of a problem, but like it's not important if like you play and that, but it's important like if like that and that, like that's important. So like I know how to control myself, and it's actually lit how to control yourself. So yeah, guys. 2 more weeks to Antalya. Antalya. Oh, I could like that and I could do that. I'll ask my mom for breakfast and I'll come back. So yeah, guys. Yeah, I got it. I got what I want. Breakfast and the super Snickers. Like now I'm walking. I know how to control myself. I know how to walk. Like the doctor teach me like how to do stuff, and I'm like, I want to do them, and like I did them. It was easy, cause all the time I'm running in real life. Yeah. This shouldn't be a sale, cause the sale was like 0 coins, and like $0 to buy that. Should be a little up, a little down. Perfect. 25 billion. I hate to earn coins. So guys, if you like that video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, I'll do the video how I cook. Okay, so bye.